Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Warzone on your computer. First, you'll need to download and install the game client, which is available for free from the official website. Make sure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for a smooth experience, including at least 8 GB of RAM and a compatible graphics card. Once installed, simply create or log in to your Activision account to jump into the action. It's a straightforward process to get started. Mastering the controls is key to success in Warzone. You'll use the W, A, S, D keys for all your movement, while your mouse controls aiming and looking around the environment. To engage enemies, simply press the left mouse button to fire your weapon and the right mouse button to aim down your sights for increased accuracy. Don't forget to use the spacebar to jump over obstacles and the C key to crouch or go prone, offering valuable cover during firefights. Warzone offers several exciting game modes, each with unique objectives. The classic Battle Royale mode challenges you to be the last team or solo player alive on an ever-shrinking map, requiring strategic positioning and combat skills. Resurgence provides a more forgiving experience, allowing you to redeploy multiple times if your teammates are still active. For a different pace, Plunder tasks teams with collecting the most cash across the map, encouraging aggressive looting and engagements. To increase your chances of victory, teamwork and strategy are crucial. Always communicate effectively with your squad using in-game voice chat or the ping system to share enemy locations and loot. Prioritize securing powerful weapons and at least 3 armor plates as soon as you land. Familiarize yourself with the various map layouts and popular engagement zones. This knowledge will give you a significant tactical advantage over your opponents. Practice makes perfect, so keep playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.